Hello everyone, my name is Hạnh. So today I will practice reductions. You, me, he, she, we, him, her, us, them, your, is, his, their, and, but, some, the, that, at, far, from, of, to, going to, gonna, want to, wanna, isn't it, in it, don't you, don't ya, because, and, them, him, do you. Okay, and the past. Will you be at the meeting on Friday? Yes, we will be there. Can you help me carry this suitcase? Hey, wait for me. Is he there? Who? The boss. No, everybody else is working, but he's gone home. She doesn't smoke or drink. That is what she told you. Look, is it him? Where? I can't see him. I can't see him. Do you know that woman? Her? No, I don't recognize her. I'm afraid we can't stay any longer. Give me your hand. Your turn. No, it is your turn. That's our new neighbor. And what is his name? No, her. Oh, sorry. What is her name? She must be rich. Look at her car. I think that is his car, actually. They've sold their old house, I see. They've sold their house, yes, but they haven't bought another one yet. Why didn't you come with us? Because I hate shopping. Rock and roll will never die. And the next I will practice ending sound. Bell, change, rain, hap, hell, full, fin, tenth, learn, wolf, wool, hold. The next ending sound. Gas, spots, snakes, stems, heads, collects, nose, dogs, animals, bees, things, says, owes, wears, loves, horses, dishes, surprises, bosses, watches, loses, ed, washed, cooked, watched, worked, missed, stopped, listened, studied, called, played, tried, answered, stayed, visited, waited, decided, wanted, started, and needed. Okay, thank you for hearing.